Big movements in the 9 Limited stock price on Friday, moving 18.91% between high and low, updated on January 15, 2021. Buy or hold candidate since December 28, 2020 gain 177.75%. The 9 Limited stock price fell by minus 13.09% on the last day, Friday, 15 January 2021, from $11.92 to $10.36, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 18.91% from a day low at $10.35 to a day high of $12.31. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 192.66% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 65,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $17.77 million. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 91.79% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $9.23 and $34.39 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The 9 Limited stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.11. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $5.74. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 7, 2021, and so far it has fallen minus 39.42%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.56. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $0 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.96 between high and low, or 18.91%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 15.85%. Our recommended stop loss, $9.87, minus 4.70%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 6 days ago. Is the 9 Limited stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the 9 Limited stock to perform well in the short term. Current score, 1.695. Predicted opening price for the 9 Limited of Tuesday, January 19, 2021. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price January 19, 2021. Current price $11.01.